Hi, I'm G Month. I'm with Optoma, and today I'm at the E4 event at Exertis Almo's E4 event, and we are showcasing our ZH450ST. The ZH450ST is in a line of 9 different projectors that are very eco-friendly, 47% less power consumption. They come in a smaller chassis now, which is about anywhere from 6 to 8 pounds, which is also much lighter, which means easier to ship. Actually, it's going to save a lot of money in shipping. We also encase these when we send them out. We put them in reusable material and recycled material that gets recycled after use. So we are very eco-friendly. Again, this is a brand new line of eco-friendly projectors. The ZH450ST specifically is a short throw, ST, meaning short throw. It's a laser product. It is 4K output and is available to Exertis Almo along with our other 8 projectors in this line. Most all of the projectors in this line are all laser. In fact, all 9 are laser, which means, again, that lower power consumption. So again, these are available at Exertis Almo, and please visit our website at optomausa.com. We also are manufacturers of interactive flat panels that we call Creative Touch, and we are having some major promotions going on, lots of spiffs and rebates for the dealers, so please check that out as well. And thank you so much.